$5 a day. All right, finally made it to Pep Boys. I'm gonna put my mask on and, you know, get these tires mounted. These guys are so busy. They have to, they make me wait an hour and a half to come back and get my rims. That's how busy they are. This quarantine shit is definitely taking a toll on everybody in New York. Honestly. It's annoying, but fuck it. This is the world we now live in. Takes 2 hours to mount and balance 4 tires. And the reason why I went to Pep Boys is because, honestly, if they scratch my shits, you know, they'll pay for it. So, you know, I guess it's because, like, my first time with my first set of rims ever buying, you know, so I guess I'll do it one time. I'll do it this time. But next time, I'll probably make friends with a tire shop nearby that, and watch them and see if they do good work. But, yeah, for now, get back to you guys when we get the rims.
Come on.
I'm gonna put them on today.
Oh, where?
Rims and tires, yeah. Put them on today. Looks amazing, guys. Looks amazing. Damn, look at that meat. All right, we got the package.
Yes, sir.
That shit. We out here with Justin. You know what I mean? Justin. Oh my gosh.
RXA coming soon.
Facts. RSA content coming soon. All right, and they're finally home.
I'm not doing it right now. I can wait until you come back. Right
Damn.
Now, yeah, I got the key.
All
This is
right.
your starter?
Let's put back on these spacers
This is starter, right?
and put on. No, that's a pop-up headlight mechanism.
No, I knew that.
All right, let's put these. All right, we got one side on. Look at this. We got one whole side. Look at this poke, bro.
That shit is fat.
That shit is fat. This wide body is about to be lit. This wide body is about to be lit. So that's the size comparison. You can see ain't much poke on this side. It's more flush. But this is just instant poke. Sheesh. And it only took 2 inches of spaces, right? Sheesh. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Oh. All right, now we got all 4 on. Damn, son. Look at the meat, bro. Look at that. This wide body is gonna be amazing. I can tell already.
This shit fire.
This wide body is gonna be amazing, right?
It's still not even done yet.
Yo,
Still not even
the
done.
poke is just right. Cause I didn't want to make the wide body too crazy wide. But this car already has natural arches. You can see like the back. That's a nice arch. That's why it looks like the front pokes out more.
Real, honestly.
Right? You see how it looks like the front pokes out more?
Mm-hmm.
That's because the back is wider, so that'll be perfect. This wide body is about to be lit. Just one more step. Let's go unbox these coilovers. They're finally here. Alright guys, several weeks ago you saw me install the rims on this car. Now it's time to finish it up with the coilovers. As you can see, I already opened them up. Sheesh, this box is heavy. Right, so these are Yellow Speed coilovers. Yellow Speed is like the OGs of like the coilover world. From, I guess, for me doing my research. But yeah, these coilovers are custom made or made to order or whatever it was. So they ended up taking about 2 or 3 weeks, about 3 weeks to be delivered to me. And here we are today. Don't mind that one wheel being taken off. I was just sizing stuff up. So you see the front is like a coilover design, and in the rear is just more or less like a simple like strut dampening system design kind of thing, if I can get it out. So the rear is more simple, a lot more simple, as you can see. We're going to be retaining the factory torsion bar and eventually like upgrading it down the line. But yeah, this is just basically a strut, and if you rotate it you can adjust the dampening, so it's pretty useful. For the rear, we're not really going much lower anyway, because you can see that fitment. It's pretty nice. If anything, I'll re-index the torsion bars to get it a little bit lower, but that's really it. So let's go ahead and install the fronts and then work our way to the back. Alright, just a quick little comparison between them. You can see the size difference is pretty immense. So I'm gonna try and screw this down a little bit more, you know, to meet it up, and then see where it drops. And then I'm gonna match the other side too. So let's get that done real quick. Even enough. Alright, slight dilemma here. So these stud holes are too small, or these studs that they just supplied are just too big. So either or, we're gonna have to drill it out. Just a little Christmas tree bit. But I guess that's what you get with, you know, custom work like this, I guess. So let's just drill it out real quick and fit them up. Alright, we got the driver's side one in. Now it's time to get to the passenger side. Alright, we out here with Day and Neil. Testing out. Oh my god, that is wild, bro. That is wild. God damn. Look at that. That fitment with the coilover, bro, that shit is amazing. That's all I wanted. That's all I ever wanted.
I think these will work better on this car, seeing these look more old school.
Mm-hmm.
And the car is like an old school car.
The look I wanted to go for was like a Japanese kind of look. It's a European body with like a Japanese look.
These look good on it too, though.
Yeah, these look good. I'm not gonna lie, these look kind of good. All right, we got the fronts on, nice and lowered. Legit no fitment. Sheesh, like, or all the fitment, like however you want to put it. But this car is basically on the floor. Damn, man. Alright. Alright, so this side is a lot simpler, obviously. Just unbolt this bolt and then unbolt the bottom one, and it comes out like one piece like this. Boom. And look at that, the size difference. Already loaning about an inch, or an inch and a half, really. That shit's huge. Alright, completely in now. Let's drop it down and see what happens. Damn guys, this fitment is just amazing, or lack of fitment, like I said, because some people say that this poke is definitely not fitment, but this is the beginning step for the wide body. Damn, I just can't stop looking at that rear end. Just, oh my gosh, this car looks 100 times better lower to the floor. Sheesh. Damn, man, I'm like speechless. I can't even speak right now. But sheesh. Sheesh. From all angles, this car just looks amazing. Huh. Alright, well, next video you're gonna see about the body is going to be definitely starting the wide body. Whew. Damn. But yeah. Forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Forget, never stop modifying.